Philip Mankertichin, and I'm the used car manager here at Galpin Honda. I started here about 4.5 years ago, and when I first started, we were selling average 50 to 60 used cars. We've done over 200 per month. We go above and beyond most dealers when we recondition our cars.
Once a vehicle has been taken in on trade or purchase, it goes to our reconditioning center, which is dedicated only to used cars. The vehicle is written up by the service advisor for the technician to start their inspection.
We do a 176-point inspection with our Galpin Certified and a 182-point inspection with the Galpin Honda Certified.
The technician will start by putting the car on the rack to check the tires, brakes, rotors, and frame of the vehicle to make sure there are no signs of damage. Next, the vehicle is brought down from the rack and goes on a test drive. After the test drive, the vehicle comes back to the shop and a technician writes up a service order for anything the vehicle may need. After the work is done and an inspection form has been completed, the vehicle is detailed and then off to the front line for sale.
As a Galpin customer, you could be comfortable and confident. We will show you 3 vehicle history reports on any car. When you buy a Galpin certified used car, you get PowerLife, the limited lifetime powertrain warranty that covers major components on a vehicle such as engine and transmission for as long as you own the vehicle.
You know, we want to make sure that when our customers come here and visit our store, they do feel at home. It really is not a gimmick or a speech. We want to connect to that level, that the customers feel that, you know, when they're coming to their home, they're going to someone that they know, they're going to someone that's going to take care of them, and they're going to someone that they trust.
You'll get a great car at a great price with great service at Galpin.